Are you wondering what pool chemicals you need for your pool closing? SunGuard Winterizing Kit. I think, in my opinion, is one of the best ones on the market. Algae 30. Basically what it does, it keeps the algae, all types of algae, away during the winter time. Stain, rust and scale control prevents scale buildups, okay? Prevents metallic stains and prevents corrosion in your pool system. And also we have floater with a special non-chlorine tablets. They are slow dissolving, so they will stay for a long time in your pool, and that prevents, basically it's maintaining the water quality for your pool.